Easy, easy, easy. And then that number 8 that everyone talks about it. Alright guys, I'm back. Next couple days later, for that right side spark plugs. It looks a lot easier on this, except for that one. So easy, easy, easy. And then that number 8 that everyone talks about in the different videos, right back in here. And it has this bump out that you need to get around, but doesn't look too terrible. Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. So we'll see how difficult that is. These other ones look way easier, even easier than the driver's side. They're right here. And then doing the sway bar link, this time I'm hitting it with the, I thought I had some PB blaster, I don't, so using the WD-40 to loosen them up. Hopefully it's not as hard as that other one. So we'll replace that. Go ahead and replace it, since you know I replaced the other one and we're already in here already. As always, safety first. Got those set up, chocks. So let's do it. Damn. First one, if I could raise the truck up just a little bit higher, that'd be better, because I'm kind of hunched in here. Look, my father-in-law got me this Cobalt set for Christmas, and which came in clutch, because I don't have one of these little stubby 3/8 inch ones, which comes in handy, I think. And then they say a flex head for that number 8. So we got that. Everything else, I'm gonna use this Cobalt one. All right. All right, got the new one right here. Always verify. Now we're gonna see if I can torque it down. Damn it. So that's too long. If you can get a smaller one, get a smaller one. I'll go ahead and put in the new cable. Ouch. Damn. All right, and then damn, that hurt. This one and this one, I'm gonna go ahead and do it, and then I'll cut it back on once I'm ready to do that number 8. So these are right there, so straightforward. All right, for this number 6, use a little 3-inch extension and a little stubby. So everything's short on this side. All right, now for the infamous number 8, the hardest one back here. See if I can zoom in there. Yeah, you can barely see it right there. Let's see. Quinn angle, whatever they're called. Super handy. I bought them just for this. Needle nose pliers. All right. Can't even see it. Can't even see it in there. Look, it's back in there. There it is. There it is back there. Tough angle. Let's see if we get it. They say your bit and then a little 1-inch extension would be good. Right, use the flex head on that one. A stubby flex head would be nice. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Ow. All right, see that? I think this is the only little bit of movement you got. Alright, it's coming up. We're good. So that's all you get from here to this wall back here, which is not a lot of space. Alright. Not terribly difficult. Oh my god, that's probably the worst one. Look at that. Alright, now the fun part, trying to get this back in there. Just double check. Let's see. There we go. Alright, I was able to get the back on. That's good. Put in the top first. Just got a feel for it. Can't see it at all. Okay. Oh, a little tricky, but honestly, I feel like that was pretty simple. I'd give it a 8 out of 10, easy level. So not really difficult at all. That last one was tricky, but not as bad as I thought it was. It was the only reason I was kind of holding up on it, but honestly, super easy. I would go ahead, if you need to get it done, do it yourself. Again, the right side is a lot easier because there's nothing in the way like on the driver's side, but again, the driver's side isn't too terrible either. I'd still go ahead and do it. This one I know I wouldn't be able to get the torque wrench in there, but if you got a small torque wrench, I think it would work out perfect for all of these, which I don't have. So I kind of just have to go by feel as best as I could. All right, before I put everything back together, go ahead and check, make sure it starts. There's no issues. Ooh, a little sketch. A little sketchy. All right. Started right up. See if anything shows up. Wonder why it does that. Open, then close the driver window. Alright, I think we're good.